said, we're going to be talking about multiples and what multiples mean, what they stand for. So, what we're going to do first.
I can't really see the thing either.
All right, well, I can fix that.
There you go.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't see either.
Amaya, you're the first one.
You're
right
right
Okay. Conversation level during this is conversation 0, unless I ask a question. And when I ask a question, you put your thumb where?
To the chest.
Thank you. Movement, there is no movement. The activity is that we're going to be talking about multiples and how multiplication and division are similar. Okay? If you need help, you raise your hand.
Are you going to fix X?
I will. I need 100% participation when I ask for it. And there are no special instructions. So what we're going to start with is we are going to start listing the multiples of 4. I need to hear everybody saying the multiples of 4 until I say stop.
Oh, yes.
The multiples of 4. So I'll start with you. 4, 8,
Oh, yeah.
everybody together.
12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52.
Hold on, 44, 48, go.
52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 78,
76 what?
77,
76?
90.
Okay, let's stop right there. No? Were there any other patterns that we have not listed yet? Aisa? Okay. What, can you tell me, let's start in column 1. Which number are you talking about? The first 4? So it's 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. Is that what you're saying? Okay. How much is it increasing from this 4 to this 4? How much is it increasing? Everybody, say it out loud.
40.
How much is it increasing?
40.
So you're saying that from here to here, it increases by 40. What about from the second column to the third column? Does it increase by 40 also?
Yes. Wait, yeah.
Okay. Who else? Dylan, you had your thumb to your chest. What other pattern did you notice?
Oh, that was the one.
That's the one that you noticed? Who was a pattern we have not talked about that they would like to share? Gabby?
It begins in 48260 and then 48260.
Okay.
That was already one. No, mine said that.
Okay.
Mine
So
said
she
260.
yes, so she agrees with what Amaya said, but she's just changing a little bit. You're making a change to what she said.
Because it begins in 4.
It begins in 4. So then you think that the pattern should begin in 4. Okay. Nathaniel?
To me, it's almost like counting by twos.
Almost. Why is it almost counting by 2, sweetie?
Because counting by twos, you know, like there's a 4 and an 8, just put a 6 in between the 8 and the 4, and then after the 2 and the 4.
Okay. So if we're counting by 2s, what kind of numbers are all of these numbers? They're all what?
Even.
They're all even numbers.
Because like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. This is going to have 2,000.
Okay. So these are all multiples of 4. Now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to write something down, and we're not going to talk. You're going to think about this. And then I will give everybody
Everybody?
a chance to share with their partners,
And then no coffee.
and then we'll talk. So we're doing it silently right now so that everybody's brain gets a chance to work. Remember, we are giving everybody's brain a chance to work. I would like for you to solve this problem. In your brain, not yet, I'll tell you when you can turn to your partner.
Yes.
You can use any strategy that works for you. Put your thumb to your chest once you have it solid. Okay, we're not going to continue till everybody has their thumb to their chest because I want everybody's brains working and thinking. Everybody needs to contribute. Remember I said participation is 100%. Thank you, Missy.
Do you have
She is. I'm at about 90%. Yes, nothing. Okay, so then what you need to do is you need to just go, take a deep breath, take another deep breath. It helps get more oxygen to your brain, gets it to calm down for a minute, and then you can start thinking again. I would like for you to turn to the people that you were speaking to before, and I want you to tell them, how did you solve the problem? Strategy. What strategy did you use to solve the problem? Actually, no. Here, Nathaniel, why don't you come over to over there? Yeah. Come on, Sticks. Work on it. 18. Oh, no, 13. Nathaniel, what strategy are you using to solve this problem, babe? You use multiplication. Okay, so what would I do? What did you do? A little louder, babe. You did multiplication? Okay, so what did you start with? Okay, so Nathaniel started with 4 times 1, and that gave you what? 4. And then? 4 times 2, and what did that give you? 8. And then?
4 times 3 is 12.
Okay.
4 times 4 equals 16.
Okay.
4 times 5 equals 12.
Uh-huh.
4 times 6 equals 24.
Do I keep going?
That's it.
That's it? Okay. So you use multiplication to solve a division problem. What would the answer to this division problem be? Why is it 6? Excuse me? Why is it 6? Okay. Can you say that one more time because I didn't quite, this machine here is a little loud and I couldn't hear you.
They use all the times tables to get to 20%.
Okay. So you use your times tables to get to 24. And what does 24 mean? Excuse me? Okay, it's the bigger number, but what is this similar to in addition and subtraction? What is that called? What are they called? What is that called when we do that? Fact families, right? Do we have a 24 here? Do we have a 4 here? What is the fact that we're missing? 6. Okay. Let me. Would you like to phone a friend? Phone a friend. Would you like to phone? Who are you going to phone? Alessandra? Okay, Alessandra. Where would she... What was your strategy for solving this? Okay, hold on. So you were counting by 4, so you said 1, 2, 3, 4 with your fingers?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you did what? And then she put a thumb up.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so she counted by 4s on one hand, and then she put a thumb up. And then you counted 4 more, and then you did? Okay, and that's 8, and then you put?
2.
All right, and then?
And then
8, 9, 10.
11, 12, and then I put 3.
Uh-huh.
And I put 4, 5, 6, 7.
4, 5, 6, 7.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay.
54.
Mm-hmm.
And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, no! 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay.
And then I put another 10.
Okay.
And then I did 21, 22, 23, 24. And then I put my 6 on the rest of the box.
Okay, so you said, I'm going to count to 24, and I'm going to see how many times. So, can you stand up and show them how you did it with your fingers?
I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put over here 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I put another 9, 10, 11, 12. I put 3, then 14, 15, 16, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then I put 4, and then 17, 18, 19, 20, put 5, then 21, 22, 23, 24, then I put 6, then I put 7.
Okay, very good. I would like for you, do you think that there's a similarity?
Yes,
Okay. What is a similarity?
because 24 is in all, the 4 is the groups, and then the last one is the equal share. And then if you have it in a multiplication problem, it can be, it's like the groups and the equal share, and the product is the in all.
Okay, so then you're saying that for the multiplication part, that this is the what? Excuse me?
The groups.
Okay, so this would be the groups. This is the,
Equal share.
okay. And this is the,
In all.
how do you guys feel about this lesson? Do you feel like you learned something?
Yes.
Okay. Your head is filled with division and multiplication? Okay, what I would like for you to do now, what